Squashing the beef, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and useful phrase in English, squash the beef. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and dynamic the English language can be. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, squash the beef, originates from American slang. To squash something here means to put an end to it or to stop something. Beef, in this context, doesn't refer to the meat. Instead, it's slang for a disagreement, argument, or conflict between people. So, when you say, squash the beef, it means to resolve a conflict or to end a disagreement with someone. This phrase is believed to have originated in the urban communities of the United States during the late 20th century. It gained popularity in hip-hop and rap cultures, where resolving conflicts and disputes was often a theme in the music. The phrase embodies the idea of peacefully resolving disputes rather than continuing them. You can use squash the beef in informal conversations, especially when referring to resolving minor disputes among friends, family, or colleagues. For example, if two of your friends are not talking to each other because of a misunderstanding, you might say, "It's time you two squash the beef and make up." After arguing for weeks, they finally decided to squash the beef and work together. I think it's important to squash the beef before it escalates into something bigger. During the meeting, they managed to squash the beef and reach a mutual understanding. And that's all for today's lesson on squash the beef. We hope you found this phrase interesting and that you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, English is a vibrant and evolving language, full of phrases that reflect culture and history. Squash the beef is just one example of how language can capture the essence of conflict resolution in a few simple words. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and don't forget to squash the beef in your daily life for better communication and relationships. See you in our next video.